White & Case is very excited to be working with the Financial Times and RSG Consulting to sponsor the research related to innovative GCs and in-house legal teams in the US and now in North America for 4 years running, and to be co-hosting a forum where we regularly bring together innovative GCs across the region. I would say that today's Corporate Counsel Innovation Summit was a huge success. Today's exciting program included 2 panels on timely topics. We also enjoyed learning from our keynote speaker, Dr. Richard Haass, President of the Council on Foreign Relations. Finally, we were joined by Mike Skapinker, Associate Editor of the Financial Times, and Mike asked some thought-provoking questions of Dr. Haass and others throughout the program. One of the things that we learned today from our GC panelists is that the challenges faced by in-house corporate counsel often provide new opportunities for innovation.
There is more innovation in-house than any other segment of the profession, and we cover private practice as well. And the general counsel community, in some ways, they embody the innovative lawyer. They are at the heart of business, so they have to reflect what's happening within their organizations. And their organizations are changing so quickly that they themselves, cannot afford to stand still. The Corporate Counsel Innovation Summit that we've just had today comes out of the Financial Times Innovative Lawyers Program. RSG Consulting, my company, is the research partner to the FT. So what we are trying to do with this summit is create a forum for general counsel that have been ranked in the FT reports to come together, share ideas, and really try and sort of move the profession forward.
One of the things I loved was the diversity of businesses and organizations that were being represented, which resulted in a diversity of ideas. We're in some ways very different, but from that difference, we can bring back ideas to our own industries, our own businesses, our own organizations. I love that. Many smart people in that same room.
I think the most valuable insight from today's discussion is the fact that general counsel understand that they need to look across the sectors of business, across their memberships, across other competitors, to learn from what those people are doing as well as from what they're doing on their own. I thought the event today was very interesting. I enjoyed the diversity of views as well as the geopolitical orientation that was taken on in many of the conversations. The general counsels of today are charged with delivering these services in a world that's moving very quickly, with lots of intersections, lots of opportunities for collision, and the need to really be able to focus on priorities and align resources appropriately.
I think that general counsel have a number of different stakeholders, and certainly the community itself is a key stakeholder. And I think that we should be challenging ourselves to engage on how we can be more innovative, and in particular to become less reactive and more proactive so that we can help the business to understand what the risks are, but also be able to take informed risks so that we can help them achieve their goals. I think that these sorts of events are very good for the collaboration among general counsel because you get to interact with your peers, and I think it also opens a door to how we might be able to also engage with broader communities such as into law schools or between the in-house counsel and the law firms.
So being able to come to an event like this and realize that other GCs face the same challenges, face the same kind of issues, is incredibly reassuring. Today was very much the beginning of what I think a group like this can achieve. With the backing of the FT and White & Case, I think there is a lot that we can do in terms of creating a very independent forum, a very objective forum for general counsel to really discuss their issues, and also really as a spur for them to innovate.
Look for more upcoming opportunities for GCs to share ideas and best practices through insightful and lively discussions with other leading in-house innovators as part of our overall Innovative Corporate Counsel Forum program.